Good morning, guys. This is actually Sunday morning. Today is 24th. We're actually going to church. We have a 7 a.m. mass. That's the one we are going. She's actually our neighbor, also going to church. The location of this Moatura B&B, the Petrodale, it's so convenient that almost everything is walkable distance. We can go to church by walking. We can go to bakeries by walking. That's something I really love about it. And again, since it's early in the morning, it's only 6:30 right now. Weather is wonderful, not at all hot. So we are enjoying this walk right now. Especially when you are walking near this river, you can feel the cold breeze. It's so refreshing. These are the people coming back after the 6 a.m. mass or after the 5:45 a.m. mass. This is like a bus stand. People are waiting for the bus to come. So people donate money here, especially when they are traveling. They donate money by hoping no danger comes for them. So church is decorated for Christmas. While we were driving last night, these lights were looking wonderful, but now it's daytime, you can't see that clearly. And so many steps. Most of the times, churches are built higher, so you have all the steps to take. They also have a ramp for older people if they cannot take the steps. We can come through the ramp. So, Mass just finished. The choir is wonderful here. So we try our best not to skip Sunday Mass, even though we will go anywhere for vacation. We always try our best. Once a while we do skip Mass, but we always try our best not to skip the Mass. And all these people are coming out from the church. And especially on a Sunday, if you see that the ladies are covering with a sari, that means they are coming back from church. It's just a way of showing respect. This bus is almost empty. It's because it's Sunday early morning. Usually you don't see buses empty like that. They're always packed. Banana trees. This is actually a papaya tree. And this is actually jackfruit tree and coconuts. Somebody is taking shower there, and they're actually washing their clothes. And we are across from the Lada movie theater, and they have released a new movie for the superstar Mohanlal. But I didn't go because I know the theaters are going to be so crowded, so I didn't want to go. And we are here near our entrance. And this is the entrance towards the park and towards our B&B. Today we are going to this Lakshmi Bhavan for breakfast. We're going for some breakfast. Yeah. We also got an order of puri and the potato curry, like fluffy puris. Try.
It's good.
Oh, it's sour.
So we are going back after breakfast.
ഇത് ആട്ടുന്ന എല്ലായിടത്തും ഉണ്ട്. അത് ഈ 170 160 നല്ല വെളിച്ചെണ്ണ കൊടുക്കാൻ സാധിക്കും. നല്ല വെളിച്ചെണ്ണ.
So guys, we are actually going to see a waterfall. It's called Chiapara Valara. So it's two small waterfalls we'll be seeing today. Falls. We'll be going to take some elephant rides. That's also in Valara. This is the first time we're going to take an elephant ride. Let's see who will take it, who will be brave enough to do. ഇത് പൊളിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മൾ താഴെ ഇടാവോ? Put in a corner, he said. So it's 2 kilos for 100 rupees. He said they are free. So this is our Anas chat and he's cutting the pomegranate for us. Yeah, go exchange it.
I'm changing in all, give me all bad.
So he's putting lines so that way we can eat them easily in the car.
The guy even shake my hand.
So they are having a healthy snack in the car. Got some oranges, some pomegranates, which he cut them so it's so easy for us just to open and eat.
No, he's supposed to make one more.
They cut them into pieces like this for kids. Orange? This is the pomegranate fun going on in the car.
You guys gotta break it. I wanna eat too.
Okay, you give us. Wait. Now give us some pomegranate. You eat.
This is what Livia's.
Yeah. No, Appa.
Oi.
Can you give us one to break?
Well, I didn't know this is all we had to do to keep them awake. Buy some pomegranate and oranges in the car. We are in a town called Nellimattam.
Wow.
Look, our Josietan has a knife somewhere here. So we can cut the pomegranate easily.
Papa, eat it. Eat it.
ഞങ്ങൾ തുടയ്ക്കാം. Okay. Oh. So this is the same road to go to Molar. This is all forest area. This town is Nerimangalam. So guys, the bridge we just saw is actually Nerimangalam Old Bridge. Long ago the kings made that bridge. They did not use any cement for that. They are using like some jaggery and some other mixture to make that bridge. Look at the curvy roads. This truck is causing all the traffic for us. And another truck. That's actually a bus. I know.
ചാനലിങ്ങനെ പിള്ളേര് പെൺകുട്ടികളുണ്ട് സ്കൂട്ടറായിട്ട് വരുന്നവര്. ഇല്ല.
I actually like this route very much. I like this route. Looks like this is a viewpoint. Look, monkey again. They are, you know, monkeys actually.
Wait, they're so cute.
They have so many stores nearby. Fresh cut fruits. You can see the crowd here. So guys, this is the Chiapara waterfall.
They have mango, you're right.
And that's how Joe said it.
Oh, he's right there, you want me to ask him?
So we bought some watermelons. They're cutting the fresh pineapples, watermelons and mangoes. And they will make it spicy too. Okay. How is it?
Hello, tender coconut, ice cream.
So they charge you 30 rupees for these cups. Mango, watermelon, they are all same price. It's a nice view from here. Uva. Look at that pink flower there.
Look, that's like a Buddha flower.
I know.
Wow. അതല്ല ചെറുത് 50.
Oh.
They call this love and coconut. Yeah, I wanted to try one, but now it's all been in everyone's mouth.
Give me a-
Help me. So once if you come, when is the next time you're gonna come here? I don't think you will be.
And this is our car. So we got this big coconut. So this is 60 rupees. This has double the amount of water. 2 people can drink.
60. I saw number 60.
Ayyo. Yeah. That's okay. Yeah. We lost
Nobody
half
gonna
a
eat it.
piece. Yeah. സാരല്ല സാരല്ല.
Oh, it's a patli malai. അടുത്ത വാട്ടർഫാൾസ്
No, that's Valara. Yeah. There's also another waterfall we can see. That's called Valara waterfall. So if you come this side, you can see 2 waterfalls. And then we are continuing to get an elephant safari.
On the road we had to walk.
So this is the Valara waterfall. You're just going to go a little bit down. Guys, how is this trip?
All
Everybody is full with the mangoes and watermelons.
Java is growing here. I want us to watch it.
After there, he said.
What?
There's a waterfall here too.
if we get some million subscribers, my dad will go down there and take a shower.
If she got 1 million subscribers.
He will skinny dip in there. The piece.
I was going to say.
So this is Adumali Grama Panchayat.
Yeah, go back to or you can come here.
Yeah, these are right too. I know.
No, not good.
I think like there.
Get the bottle. Go in the window. Are you going to do it? Pour it in.
It's all the sign for toilets, so we're gonna go check.
Well, toilet's right here. That's another one.
Open.
So you have to pay to use the restroom, but still it is okay because we were able to use. It was decent. Lots of
You want
snacks.
another drink? What do you want?
I'm okay. Mom, what are all these tourists doing?
Hmm?
What do they do? How do they use the restroom?
You had to pay.
Are they using toilet paper?
I don't think so.
Wait, Lizzie. Lizzie. No. Everyone, the milk people.
That's actually a lot of wastage.
Oh, Amy. Yes, we do. Yeah, toilet paper. What do you want to use there?
No, they're calling a rejecting.
The yucca plant.
Yeah, in toilet Japan, they have like cleaning engineering. Oh, this one.
I think it's something like la 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 la.
Oh, I
Go.
have to get my cars. I want the green. Talk about it.
All tender coconuts are here. So we are still in Valara and we are going to stop by the elephant place at Valara. So guys, I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for your continual support. If you're watching this for the first time, please like and subscribe and let me know what changes I need to make. And see you guys in the next video with our elephant ride. Bye.